Hey everybody, today we're going to do a quick hotel walkthrough of Binions. I'm going to show you guys the different restaurants that they have here in Fremont Street. So let's go and check it out. Over here is a little bar called the Cowgirl Up Cantina. It's not open right now, but they are open at night. And it is pretty busy over here. So we're going to go straight through this way. If you are staying here at the Apache, this would be the elevator that you would use to go up to your room. There are some restrooms back here. They have a fish spa back in here as well. And these doors will take you outside to Fremont Street, and directly in front of us will take you across the street to Fremont. So we're going to keep going through this way. You have the Apache showroom down here. When I was younger, this used to be their cafe area, and we would go and we would have breakfast and stuff down here. Over here on the left is front desk and registration. And then this is Binion Smokin' Barbecue and Brews. They're not open right now, they open at 4. So it looks like it's just another kind of like barbecue place here. You should be able to see inside. So it looks like it's a pretty cool looking bar inside. So going over this way. This is their sportsbook area over here in front of us. This is Binion's Cafe here on the right. And they have your typical cafe food. They have breakfast in the morning. They have burgers and sandwiches. They also have a bar over here on the left-hand side. It's a pretty big bar. Coming up over this way. I don't think I've got a multiplier yet. This is the entrance to the Whiskey Liquor Up and Saloon. If you go up this way. And it's not open right now, but we'll go upstairs to check it out. Over here they do have Ji Jun, which is a Chinese restaurant, but you have to come upstairs for that. And right here is where they have the Whiskey Liquor Up Saloon. It's a pretty big area. So they have pizzas and things like that. That's the Whiskey Liquor Up Saloon. We have Club Binions back there on the right. And then they also have Binion Steakhouse, which is upstairs. It's more of like a fancy sit-down steakhouse. And then here is their menu, so you guys can look and see what they have on the menu and stuff. Coming over this way. They also have a bar over here. And we're going to go out here, and this will take us outside here to Fremont. So please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know if you've stayed here at Binions and what your opinion of it is. Thanks for watching. Bye.